Hi, my name is Vadim. I'm co-founder of SmartFront. Me and my partner, we've got experience with Magento since 2010. And because it's a very heavy platform, most of our customers, they have the same problems, page speed. And we decided to build our own front end that works very fast. So it means like the philosophy is you don't need to rebuild your backend. So it means like you don't need to move your Magento or your Shopware store to Shopify or some other platforms. You just need to rebuild your front end to increase your page speed, and also for sure because of that you can increase your conversion rate. And some other very nice features that we implement, it's not only about page speed, but it's also implementation of AI that can help you to do some A/B testing based on our CROs. I'm going to show you in admin panel. But first of all, let me show you our demo website, how it looks like. So this is our default or basic theme that we're gonna use for our platform. So for instance, you can see if I select some category, then I want to go to the store, the page of the products, right? So then add to cart and proceed to checkout. It works very fast. So this is how our store works. It's just a very basic installation. So let me show you our admin panel and what kind of functionality we have. So this is like our dashboard. So for instance, because we already connected with Magento to store, it means like it's gonna be connected with that Magento. So as you can see here, this is like a panel that you can see your revenue, your orders, your conversion rate, and so on, so on. Yes, configuration, top products. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check, for instance, design. So when you can see like a store provider, right here, you can decide what kind of platform you're gonna work. So as I said, so we work with Magento right now, it's already connected, but you can use Shopware, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Cilius, Duza, PrestaShop, and some other platforms that we're gonna implement very soon. And it's very, very easy to connect via API for sure. Then we also have some pre-installed themes that you can use, or for sure you can use your own theme and you can build it here. So then designing pages, there's so much configurations that you can do yourself, right? So like a color, you can also use background, text color, also for branding, for content, for layout, also CSS, plugins, also AI themes you can create. The one also Figma is going to be connected very soon, right? So it's still beta. Then we have a content blogs that you can create your own pages, gonna show on your front end. So then we have a blog, a newsletter, and marketing, which is very important for your sales. Like we have zero analyzer that can analyze your SEO score of every page, right? So your URL redirects, meta tags, settings, sitemap, robots, whatever. Also history. If something was changed, so you can always see what is going on. Also, we have a zero module. So what you can do, you can test your pages to increase your conversion rate for sure. And you can see how it's going to be. So for some events, you can always analyze that. Quite interesting information. And so, yeah, it's a very important feature that I strongly believe will be very demanded, because most of our customers were looking for increase their conversion rate. For sure, you can test by your own, or you can generate it by AI. So for sure, we also have UX UI parts before and after. So it depends what you want. So we have also like you can create like new audit here. So we also provide some apps right now that already implemented, like some such as HubSpot. It can be also Microsoft Clarity, Google Analytics, so on, so on. Email marketing would be very soon, like MailChimp. Notifications, Slack would be very soon. EU Accessibility Act compliance widget. AI features, so like AI shopping assistant and some other tools and payments that we recently implemented. We're gonna add more and more payment and shipment methods for sure. Also, it's a storage. We store the data in AWS. For mobile device, we use PWA, like a progressive applications. It's going to be like also shopping assistance here. So it's disabled right now, but yes, it's going to be available very soon. So you can see analytics overview of your product recommendation, top intents. So you can also predict, and see your best sellers of your products on your website. Also, AI agents will be here available, and we also support some providers by default. It's OpenAI and Gemini already, but we're gonna add what is important. It's a system here. The system also gives you like a cron job, some testing you can see here, so that you can test and see if there are some issues in your pages. Also users, it's admin. It's for managing your users and audit logs, all the changes you can see here. And for sure, it's fully ready user guide technical documentation. So for all the menus and features that we already implemented, so it's very detailed. So you can always check it out. So yeah, as you can see, we have a proper solid front end platform that you can switch from the old one. Why we recommend it? Because if your website works very slow and your page speed is very low, for instance, like, I don't know, 40 or 60 plus, so it's very low. So we provide it with page speed 90 plus, and it's very important for conversion rate optimization. So if you're interested in, please don't hesitate to contact me. So we can go through all of our system or show you how to implement your store within 1 week.